How to change the color lighting on your keyboard on Asus Tuf gaming laptop. So as you can see now, it's in the blue color, and if you want to change it, simply open the Armory Crate, which should be downloaded and installed by default on your gaming laptop. And if you open it on the left, click on Devices and choose the device, which is this one. Now in the top menu bar, find the lightning, which is the keyboard lightning. You can select here the basic effect. For me, it's static. And on the right here, you will find the color. So as you can see now, it's in the blue color. If I click it, I can change it to, for example, red one. As you can see, it's changing orange, green, or light blue. So you can select which color you want. Here is also the color circle. You can use whatever you want. Then click on OK. And also make sure that your brightness is adjusted to the maximum or like you want, because if you have the 0%, it will not shine at all. So adjust your brightness, and this was how to change the color keyboard on Asus Tuf gaming laptop. If you don't want only the one color, you can change it to, for example, color circle effect, and your keyboard will change colors. This is the speed of color changing. You can also change it here to maximum speed, and it will change like this. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.